this is a quick video or screencast to show you how to integrate your H5P asset into Blackboard Learn. So the first thing you need to do is create your asset. So once you've created it, make sure your display options are all turned on. I'm just going to click update here so that you can see where my image is. Okay, now you can see my asset, and you'll notice that if I was going to include it in my blog or on my website, I would use the short code here, but I'm not. I want to put it into Blackboard Learn. So to do that, I'm going to click the embed button, and I'm going to copy the embed code, and you can set the size to whatever you want. So I just do a Control A and a Control C to copy the embed code. Then I jump over to Blackboard Learn, and I click the HTML button. If you're not seeing this full panel, there's this open and close. So you can open it and click the HTML button, and then add the iframe underneath. Okay, click OK, and you'll get the yellow box. That's okay. And then come down and submit it. Once you've submitted it, you'll get the preview and you'll see the asset. So here I have my little slider asset that shows pictures. You'll notice that it still says embed and reuse down here, and I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop back over here into H5P. I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm going to click update. Okay, once that's updated, when I come back over here, if I reload this, you'll see that, well, you won't see that. You should see that that's no longer there. I think I jumped at it too quickly. Okay, let's get this reload to happen again. There we go. So it just took a minute to make sure it took on the other side. But now that it's done, you can see that that embed is not there anymore. But I still have the ability to scroll through and see things. And so that's how you make that go away. You needed it first in order to copy the embed code, but once you have the embed code, you can turn that off so you don't have to leave that available.